We're finally here. Welcome to the Amazon Rainforest. Though I didn't say, my name is Brandy and I will be your adventure guide today. Let's get exploring. Just remember, when walking, please do not step on any animal or pick them up. Thank you.
It is crawling with so many different types of animals. How many are here?
Well, there are over 2,000 species here. See there? That's a beautiful toucan.
Are there different types of toucans? It doesn't look like the ones I've seen before.
Of course, that is the white Toko toucan. The only place you can find them are here in the rainforest. And if you wanted one, you'll have to catch it.
Sorry I'm late. What did I miss? I'm Ryan, by the way.
I'm Vanya. You didn't miss anything, but you scared away the toucan.
The Toko toucan. They are very rare, though.
Ryan, it was pretty.
Sorry, I didn't mean to. Since I scared it away, I didn't get a glance. But you know what I did see? I saw a really cool poison dwarf frog. It was blue with black spots on his back and everything.
Shh. Look. It's a furry brown thing. Look at it. It's really cool.
It's a sloth, not a furry brown thing.
Now let's move along.
Uh-oh, we're out of time. Let's get back to the Jeep. In case you ever forget about the rainforest, remember this song.
First things first, we walk through the rainforest, we see grass, we see trees, we see animals walking through the leaves, walking through the leaves, Second we see a Toko toucan in the tree, then we see a sloth that is ready to eat up, is ready to eat up, Then a butter fell into my nose and now I'm doing the chameleon pose. It rains down, it's raining down, it's a storm. The trees get hydrated from the water that goes through the branches, and the leaves get all green from the storming. The storming. Protect, we promise to protect the animals inside the rainforest. The rainforest.
Thank you, Adventure Guide Brandy.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming.
Hey, I helped too. Me, Adventure Guide Ryan, the Great.